Hello there, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about my first day of vlogging. This is me, the way I look after work. Is it nice? It is a bit dreadful at work because I got lots of things to do, but I'm blessed. I'm thankful to God. So yeah, this is my first attempt to do a vlog series for my YouTube channel. I just thought of this while I'm on my way home. Obviously I'm just a bit excited maybe of sharing stuff to you guys, the stuff that I know, the stuff that I feel like sharing. It's my day one, and suddenly this thing pop up, and why not do a vlog? I'm just a bit hesitant because of my confidence. I don't know, I mean, maybe because it is not me, or am I just pushing this because I just want to break barriers? Yeah, I think so. Alright, let me just welcome you to our family room. And this is our simple bed. That's our bed in our rented apartment. This is a block in Togban Road, and there you go. There's my desk and my laptop and my screen, and here's the view from level 15 of this HDB. Yep. And I love it here, to be honest. My family love it so much here. So welcome again to my channel. Shout out to my family, whoever is watching right now. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah. Peace.